Hi guys, today we are going to learn about how to create a free website absolutely for lifetime without purchasing any domain, without purchasing any hosting plan, with the help of just drag and drop page builder. So stay tuned with me. Hi friends, I am Dhaval, founder and owner of funnelforgrowth.com. I have a big surprise for you. You can say a gift for you, but make sure you stick till the end of the video so you will get your gift. So, guys, there are three steps with we have to create a website. First of all, we have to create a free account inside a page builder called a GrooveFunnels. After that, creating a website is the second step, and third step will be publishing our website. So guys, our first step will be creating a free account inside GrooveFunnels. I will give link down below in the description from where you can create your free account. We are into a page builder known as GrooveFunnels. I will give link down below to create your free account. So you can create your free account from the link below and it will be absolutely free for lifetime. So let me take you how to create a free website. When we are going to click on new site, let's take a template from Sketch, give a name of our site. Let's give a name, for example, website. Click on start building. So now we are in the dashboard of the editing website. Now we have to create a website from scratch. So guys, we will create this kind of website from scratch. You can see we will create this kind of your website absolutely free from scratch. I will teach you how to create it from scratch. You can see it looks a beautiful website. Okay guys, let's create it from scratch. Let's select a navigation bar headers, drag it from there and drop it here. You can see there is a logo and a button just like in this website. Let's edit our logo. Suppose I am choosing my logo just for the sake of the video. I select this logo, upload it, select it and also click on select. Now click on update. Now we have to edit this size. Go to the size section, go to the auto, click on fixed height pixel and make it 123. It's okay. Now as far as the button, make its background color yellow. Yes, and let's write down here contact us. You can select your logo also guys here. Just replace it with your logo. Once I will send this template to you. Now to create a background dark, select this blue. Now let's move on to the second part of the block. Let's select a block. Click on empty block. Select third number of block. Now let's check. There is a text and a button. Now we have to select any column. So with the help of that column we can write our text and can put our button as well. Now select H1 as a heading. Let me write down. Guys, I will give this template absolutely free to you, so I will not write down any of the text. I just make it as a template so you can edit it later by yourself. Your heading goes here. Okay. Now give spacing. Let's check again. Okay. Now make it in the center. Increase the text font size. Okay, make it 48. We can select font from here also. We can change font from here. If you want to like change font, then you can change from it here. Now H3, let's take H3. Okay, we call a subheading. Let me note down. Your subheading goes here. Now also let increase the size of the subheading also little bit. Yes, that's it. Now let's create a button. For button we have to select any column and drop it here. Now select button from here, drop it here. Give spacing little bit. Okay, now give a background. Give name to the button. Contact us. You can give as per your choice guys. I am just creating this for the sake of the video and for the template purpose. If you want this template free guys, then comment below hashtag yes I want, and I will give these templates absolutely free to you guys. Now if you want consistent size of the button throughout the page, then what you can do, delete button from here. Just copy this button and drag from there and drop it here. So this is how you can have a consistent button size as well as text size throughout the page. Now let's have a background for this blog. Choose background image. For the video purpose, I select this background. Okay, now make it in the center, or you can create auto suggest, or you can select as a cover image. Yes guys, this is how we can create it. Now if you want to increase the size, then you can give spacing here for the background. Okay, because already we are giving maximum spacing inside the block. Okay, this is looks better. Now we have to reduce the opacity of our image. Let's select blue. Yes, let's make this color as a white. Yes, every time you have to save your work guys, otherwise you will lose your work. Now let's move on to the another part, this section. Select block, go to wireframes, select empty block, drag from there and drop it here. Select element. Now select H2, copy this. Okay, for the template purpose, let me write your heading, make it bigger little bit. Yes, select background color. Okay, now give spacing little bit. Little more. Yes, okay, save it. Change text color, make it white. Good. Now let's select this block, this kind of block. Let's go to, or you can select ready-made block also guys. There are lots of ready-made block here pre-built inside this page builder. So if you want to save your time, then just select any block whichever you want to select. Let's suppose this kind of block we want. Let's try to select that kind of block. If there is no any block, then not to worry, we can change it according to that. Okay, we can select this kind of block. Now change background first of all. Okay, now here you can change images as per your choice guys. For the sake of this video, I will leave as it is, and here I am going to change the color white. Here also change color white, and here also change color white. That's it guys. Now let's create this kind of block from scratch. Go again block section, click on wireframes, click on empty. Now here you can see two blocks guys, so we have to select section of two block, drop it here. Now select image element for the image in the left side. Go to elements, select image, drop it here. Now for the text we have to select H1 and paragraph. We have also a title and paragraph element here. Select from there and drop it here. Now we have to center this image, guys. Select container, go to layout, make it in center. Now give spacing to this block as well, guys. Okay, good. Now let's copy this text. Paste it here. Increase the size of the font. Okay, great. Now you can edit this section as per your choice, guys. So I will leave as it is. You can edit it later as you want when you receive this template. Let's save this, guys. Let's select the background, guys. Let's make it little bit creamy, I would say. Let's select not creamy but little bit light blue compared to our theme. Okay, now let's move to another block, one kind of testimonial block. Let's select now check, there are 3 blocks here, guys. So we have to select first of all this heading block. So let's select empty container, go to block, wireframe, create, select empty block for the heading, this heading. Now if during drag and drop, if any container or block overlapping each other, then simply select that block and click the arrow. If you want to move it down, then select it down arrow. If you move it up, then select up arrow. Okay, guys, so don't worry while dragging the block if any block overlapping each other. Now select the text as let's suppose H3. Copy this text. I am doing this for the video purpose, guys. You can change it according to your requirement later on when you receive it. Okay, now here we can select elements of as a paragraph. Okay, drop it here. Now there are 3 blocks. Also we can select ready-made block. Let's go to testimonial. Let's select block. Okay, guys, we have our testimonial section. Let's give spacing little bit here. Great. Now let's remove it because already we have. I think this looks good, guys, instead of this. So let's remove this. Now okay, now we have to replace our button instead of this button. Copy this button, drag from there and drop it here. Now save our work, guys, otherwise you will lose your work. Now it's time to footer only. I will skip this part. So make sure our video will not be so long for you guys. So it's time for the footer. Select, go to the block section and select footer, drag from there and drop it here. Now it's time to publish our website. We can create a subdomain inside Group Pages. So click on manage domains, click on subdomain, click on manage. Now we have to give a name of our subdomains. Let's suppose I am giving name of Digital Dhaval, for example, and let's try to save. Unless someone else has taken this name. We have successfully created our subdomain, guys. Now click on update. Now we have to publish our website. It's time to publish our website. Now select our Group Pages subdomain. You can see my subdomain showing here, Digital Dhaval. Now let's give a name to our page. Let's give home page. Now click on the publish button and click on publish. Wait for the moment, guys. We will have a message. Yes, we have a notification message. Our site successfully published. Let's check it. You can see the URL. You can see a log section. So there is no need of SSL. Already our site is secured with Group Pages. As I promised, there is no need of SSL. You can see my subdomain name with Group Pages and the page name as a home page, and our website is live, guys. Within 10 to 15 minutes you can create your website absolutely free for lifetime, guys. Okay guys, I have made changes in the template so it looks better than before. I have changed heading as well as background, as well as images in the blocks, background color of about section, testimonial is same as it is, and background color of footer. So it looks better than before, guys. So this is how we can create our website absolutely free, guys, without purchasing any domain, without purchasing any hosting plan, without buy any SSL certificate. This is how we can create website free for lifetime. If you want more templates from me, then comment below yes I want, hashtag yes I want, and I will send my ready-made templates to you guys. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.